To scan a case with your T-Series scanner, click Open with Care's Medit link. Now select the different options for the scanning. In this example, we use the Flexible Multi-Die option. Select Flexible Multi-Die, followed by the alignment procedure, in this case base, and if it's a tooth-borne case, without gingiva. First we scan our upper jaw. Click on the model to adjust the brightness. Click Next to start the scanning process. First we adjust the scanning area. Click Confirm to start the scan process. After scanning, we select the element. Choose one of the selection modes and click on the model. Please make sure that you assign afterwards. To continue, please click Confirm. Now we scan the lower jaw. Also here we can adjust the scan area above the blue line. With the icon on the right hand side you can also move the arm of the scanner up and down. Now we select the right elements. Please make sure that you click Assign after each element. Once you have assigned all elements, you can proceed with Confirm. As a last step, we scan the occlusion. Click Next to start the alignment process. The detailed scanned dies will be positioned automatically to the right model position. Once you click Next, the upper and lower jaw will be also positioned correctly. Click Next to continue. After the calculation process, the file will appear in the software. Click Open to start importing the case. The first step is the trimming. In case you want to change something on your scan files, you can use the different tools to cut elements on the STL file. If you click Next, you have to align the orientation. Please make sure that the jaw model is positioned as shown in the video. In the next step, we tag the elements. We start with the neighbor tooth, followed by the different parts of the model.